welcome to another video. Today we are going to do something crazy and I never thought I would do in my life. And I am so disgusted by, and I hate my dad because of this, but it's a great video idea. So, I hate you, Dad.
Love you.
So today, this may look like a genuine cup of milk or water or, some beverage, but no, this is dog food. My dogs eat this.
I call it
I
call it the dog food challenge.
Yeah, this is the dog food challenge. Let us begin. I am joined by Blynn and Gio. These are my brother and sister. Blynn's blocked by the cup.
Ready? Jace, you're so stupid, guys.
No, they're not. Gosh. Okay, so it says this is chicken flavor with 100% something, and it has proteins, and it has something else. So it shouldn't be too bad for us. It'll just It'll just make us die.
No, it won't.
Here you go.
Thank you.
No, don't eat it yet. Blynn.
I get it. I got a triangle. No, Jigo.
No, we're all doing it. Ready? 3, 2, 1, let's go.
In 3, 2, 1. Chicken flavor. Chicken flavor. Chicken flavor. Chicken flavor. You remember the rules. You can't spit it out.
Oh, this just tastes like freaking dry bread. Ugh.
You can't spit it out, though.
What is going through dogs' minds right now?
I know. Gio? Here, Gio.
I
get the square. Here, Jace.
Oh yeah, you can never go wrong with your Homer Simpson cup. If you don't do anything, you'll never make a mistake.
Gio. I know. No, you have to. Do we have to get this one now? 3, 2, 1, go.
Oh, why was that so bad? Ugh.
What? That wire.
I got this. I'm gonna do another piece. I can do it.
I like it. I have my clothes up.
Let's go. Don't take your shirt off, Theo. Put your shirt back on. You got a little trick. Yeah, this freaking sucks. This is crap. You see this? It's right here. This is freaking crap. What now? So, yeah, this is a new character right here.
You can't be on camera without your shirt on. I'm telling you this right now.
Yeah. So, yeah.
You want to be in the video, then you have to have a shirt on.
Put your shirt on. Stand here.
But shut up.
So, as always, don't forget to
Subscribe.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you.
No. Give us 100 million subscribers.
No. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys and dudes in the next video. Bye.